If you're in Maryland and looking to sell your home as is, without repairs, showings, or agent fees, here's exactly how that process works. Hi, I'm Chris with As Is Equity, and I'm based right here in Pasadena, Maryland. And we help homeowners all across Anne Arundel County, Baltimore, Prince George's, and surrounding sell their home as is, no pressure. The first step's simple. Just reach out to us. You can do that by phone call, text, or fill out a form on our website. We'll ask a few questions about the property condition, what your timeline looks like. From there, we'll look over the property and we'll decide the best way to make your offer, either on the phone or in person at the house. If the condition's clear, we can usually make the offer for speed and flexibility right over the phone. More complex situations though, we'll try to come out and meet you at the property and get a better understanding of what's happening. Either way, there's no pressure or obligation whatsoever. The process stays transparent and simple, no matter how we present that offer to you. Once we've reviewed everything, we'll make you a clear cash offer. There's no hidden fees, no commissions, no repair requests. You don't even have to accept it. We just want you to have real options. If the offer works for you, you choose the closing date. Whether it be a week, a month, or even longer, whatever your situation is, we'll work it out. We'll also work with a local title company to handle all the paperwork. You don't need to clean the house out. You don't need to make a single repair, and you definitely don't have to worry about any showings or prep work because we're buying it as is. We've helped homeowners all across Maryland, from Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Prince George's County, and beyond, sell houses that they just didn't want to deal with anymore. If you want to see what your options are, reach out to As Is Equity. You can call us, text us, or fill out the form online. Absolutely no pressure. Just honest solutions to help you make the best decision for your situation. Whatever that is, we're here to help.